Hey guys, Horace here. Today we have Today we're going to be reviewing probably the best chef to ever walk the earth, because today we're going to be viewing Ollie, the chef. So just by the banner alone, we can just see that we're going to be in for a tough ride, because this guy is a penguin with a sausage holding it in what looks like a wrench. I think, I don't know, it might be a fork. I'm a pretty good chef, I should know, but looks like a wrench to me. But yeah, we're gonna jump straight into the meme crate of Ollie, the chef. Now look at that, just that video editing, pure video editing skill. That little opening scene there. Very, very talented, I can see, with the editing, on the editing half of the video. You know, you got credit for that amazing transition.
Hi guys, I'm Oliver, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a banana.
Just by his apron alone, you know that he is the next Gordon
How
Ramsay.
to make a banana and strawberry smoothie. The ingredients we're going to be using today is apple juice, Greek yogurt, honey, bananas and strawberries.
Yeah, I bet he likes the bananas.
The bananas, chop them into small slices, and after you've chopped all of them, put them in the blender. Now we're going to chop the strawberries in half, each one.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time.
Yeah, I love this little fast little motion editing as well.
Now we're going to pour 175 millilitres of apple juice into the blender.
Look at that stylish technique of apple juice pouring. Class, just pure class.
After that, you get your Greek yogurt and put 2 tablespoons of it in.
Oh jeez, it's violent.
Now, you get honey or whatever honey you use and put it.
Yeah, that's right guys, you can just use any honey that you've just gone and found in the bin outside your bloody neighbour's house. You know, that doesn't mind, it makes it sweet. That's all it really matters.
All the honey in. You blend it.
You blend it.
This has been brought to you by Oliver the Chef. Thank you for watching. I'm going to bring over and see what his reactions are.
Oh.
That is really nice.
I love it.
And thank you for watching again. See you next time.
First thing, look at his face. Look at it. He's just yeah, so if you look at his face in a minute, it's just pure class. He's realised that this smoothie is really poisonous, and then he just changes his point of view on it to just make it look good for the viewers, you know, them. The viewers look at it, oh yeah, that's funny. And I'm pretty sure all 37 viewers of this video are gonna feel that that is probably the best smoothie that mankind can possibly make. Now you can tell that his so-called brother is obviously like just some paid actor he found off the street. Look at him. He doesn't even like that.
That is really nice.
I love it.
I like how they're just casually having orgasms over a
That is really
smoothie.
nice.
I love it.
And thank you for watching again. See you next time.
Oh, outro transactions.